This is a 16-inch L-shaped shower hand grab from Munzong. It's made of metal, but it has a black coating on it to prevent rust and to make sure that it's going to be durable. And installation is fairly simple. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get into this hardware package and I'm going to take out the large bolts. I'm going to use the large bolts to attach the plate that's going to go anchored to the wall. And I will attach it here and then use it to mark where I'm going to drill my holes. So a tip, when you're marking, make sure that you can see all three, because trying to get into a hole behind this bar is going to be really hard. So you want to make sure that when you do place the holes and when you're doing marking, think about being able to drill in the screws. So I have my marker with me, so where I can then mark these holes. Now that I've marked it, I'm going to drill the holes. Now that we have the holes drilled, we'll put in the anchors. Okay, now we're going to assemble this how it ought to be. And so we're going to put on the caps first, and then the mounting plate. And there you have it, it's installed.